This is a fit for a 2020 and beyond Ford Explorer with factory installed raised side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Rapid Crossroad WingBar EVO base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar EVO load bars in black, 60 inches in length, the 450R Rapid Crossroad foot pack, which connects to the raised rails using a rubberized stainless steel band. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 32 inches from front to rear, center to center. That position is variable along the length of the raised rails with a maximum crossbar spacing of up to 38 inches. The maximum weight load capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.